Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and today is the day that we open this gift from GRABIE, which, as you know, is one of my favorite subscription box companies. But before we do that, welcome back everyone, and for all of you who are new, welcome to the party. What we're going to do, if you've never seen one of these, I'm going to open this up, and then we'll come back during another video, and we will do some creativity projects with what's inside. So, stay tuned. Here's a couple of things I want you to know about GRABIE, because I think I oftentimes, when I do these, I always talk about their subscription boxes, and they're not just a subscription box company. They are arts and crafts and more. So they have stationery. They have art supplies like paintbrushes and things related to paint and things like that. They have craft supplies, different little projects you can do. They sell stationery. I don't know if I already said that. They also have now a GRABIE art club where you sign up, and the more you spend, the more discounts you get, the more benefits that you get. And they even have a Easter promotion, which is, I believe, a buy one, get one at 30% off. So use the word Easter when you check out, and you can earn 30% off your entire purchase. And then lastly, and my most favorite, is the fact that GRABIE gives back to the community. So a percentage of every single purchase that you, percentage of your purchase will go to the GRABIE Art Fund to support those who otherwise wouldn't be able to fund the ability to exercise their creativity. So check them out. The link will be in the description. And here we go. Now, does this have a name? Let's see. GRABIE, this is Vintage Reverie. Well, you gotta love that. And then this is everything that's in it, but I don't want to look. I want to open it up and look. All right, and as you know, this is what the box looks like, or similar to this every time. I love that they use the toile in here, one of my favorites. It says, this Vintage Reverie transports you to a world of timeless elegance, where Victorian glamour comes to life with intricate lace patterns, vintage clocks, and graceful butterflies fluttering across the page. With these exquisite elements, it feels like strolling through a Victorian drawing room. And then I'm not going to say any more because that kind of tells about what's in there. So let's just open it up. So, of course, I'll be saving this tissue. And here's how it comes, all beautifully wrapped. And then I think I'll set this aside a little bit so that we can look at each thing individually. So first, oops, I got two things on here. Something is stuck. Oh, it's pin art. Collect 6 pins for a $20 GRABIE gift card. Collect all 12 pins for a surprise prize. Cute. I like that. This is called Boudoir Window, the paper collection. And the cool part about these boxes, is that this can be reused. So I'll put this in with my bases. And the envelope is beautiful, so it can also be used. Like, look how gorgeous that is. Yes. Oh, these are fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love these. I love to use these with like little people in there. I bet there's going to be some people in there. These are heavy too. They're like acetate. And then these are paper. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to try to keep everything kind of out here, at least so we can kind of see it. What is this? Oh, high quality ink pad. So there must be maybe a stamp in here. Let's find out. Seven color ink pad. This could be fun. Oh, yeah. So, those 6 in this one. Well, we'll have to use that in a minute. Check it out. Excuse me. All right, next one is Vintage World Charm. 30 single-sided pattern papers, 3 each of 10 designs. And again, we'll save this for something later. Another adorable envelope. And inside of this one, we've got that design. Trying to do them in order here. Ooh, look at that. These are just nice papers, but look at, they've got like little edges to them. Love that. Those. Very pretty. And these, like, you could fold just like a little, make into a mini journal. What else? What else? Those are pretty. All of them are gorgeous. Wonderful. No, those are the ones we already looked at. Perfect. All right, next up. Oh, here's a GRABIE sticker. And then elegant lace. 30 single-sided patterns, 3 each of 10 designs. I love these. I've gotten these before in their boxes, and they're really fun. And I just keep a bunch of them over here so that I can just grab them as I wish to use them on a project, but very pretty. Make sure I didn't. So that's the nice part about it, is if you want, just, this is a great gift. If you know somebody, I don't know why I just started coughing. I haven't coughed all day. If you know someone who's just getting started in journaling, junk journaling, art journaling, this would be a great gift. So there's the next one. And they're always so jam-packed full. Vintage vignettes, sticker collections, and these are PET. I don't know if you say PET or PET. Does anybody know? Is there a proper way? It stands for something. They're like the plasticky ones, you know what I mean? Like acetate, clear, see-through. Ooh, look at all of these. Clocks. Dresser. Mantle clocks. Oh, we even have some phone booths. These are cute. Mirror. Nightstand. There's just a little bit of everything in here. A trunk or some suitcases. And then I think it starts over. Ooh, look at that. Yep, then there's some new ones. So there's a couple that are the same. A phonograph. That's cute. Is that a fireplace? Yeah. This is great. I love the chairs. But I mean, just imagine, like here. I know this might not really go, but set that there. You could cut this and open it up. Maybe there's a harp sitting there. Funsies. All right, that's a lot of fun. All right, what's next? And the fun keeps coming. These are more stickers. 2 each of each design. These look like Victorian Women, so this should be fun. Let's see, let me do it this way. Pretty. And everything coordinates just so well. Man, there's a lot in here. Did we already do her? No. She looks like she's got an attitude. These are so pretty. And the other thing is, I love to put, the box is so compact. I love to take these when I travel. I take the whole box, and then that's one thing I use. And then, you know, it kind of replenishes after a while. some of the things that I've already, because I've taken probably 3 GRABIE boxes on the road with me. And so then I just keep them there. And they're so generous to send me one every so often that then I get to replenish it. And it's one little box that has to go with me. So cute. All right, we've got a lot left here. I better get to moving. Flower of Time, 30 single-sided pattern papers. Got lots of those bands. Oh yeah, these are fun too. They're like vellum. So you can cut them apart or you can use the whole thing. Sweet. I like. Goodness. I know there's going to be some butterflies coming up because that's what they said. Flower Mania. I should probably put these wrappers back in the box so I can take them with me and use them. That probably makes more sense. Ooh, look at these. And these are more of a vellum sticker. Wow. What did it say? 100 PET stickers, 2 of each of 50 designs. I won't show all of these to you, but you'll get the gist. There's so many I can't even pick them up. Wow. Look at those scrumptious colors. Love. Just look at it. Just look at it like that. Oh, and even mushies. Isn't that pretty? And a peach. Everything just in yellow. She said hello. Love it. Next up, Charmed Curiosities. And on this, it says there are more stickers. 30 cardstock stickers, 2 of each of 15 designs. Ooh, these are nice. Look at that. Vintage fans. These are nice, heavy quality, too. Bigger fans. More chairs. I love these. Dining room chairs. Lanterns. Ooh, this is pretty. A vanity. Coffee grinder. Violin or viola. I'm not sure which. A bench. Some flowers. Some keys. Those are cute. I was just watching Kara Brandon do some keys and key fobs, and oh, they were so cute. Made me want to bust them out right then. Butterfly guards. I told you there are butterflies happening. 50 PET and paper stickers. 2 each of 25 designs. Ooh, pretty. There's a bunch of PET. Vellum. Ooh, those are neat. Just, oh, tons of them. Book page. And it says they're stickers, didn't it? Yep. Wow. These are pretty nice. Oh, this is cool because they're flexible enough you could put them on a page like that. Cute. Cute little flutterbies. Magical mirror. This is patterned paper. See, and these just the envelopes alone are just beautiful. Ooh, mirror, mirror on the wall. Those are cute. I don't have anything like that. I do now. Love. And then last of the little ones is gilded flowers. Well, all you have to say is flowers I'm in. Gilded, even better. Had a little blingy McBlinger some too. Oh, are they good? Yeah, they are. Look at those. Pretty. Gorgeous. Okay, now let's see. The big pack is kind of what pulls it. All of these, you pull these out and you're like, okay, what's that big pack look like? And this is what we're going to look at next. So it comes in this nice plastic container and holds everything, and it is loaded, I'm telling you. So, ooh, a notebook. All things that are with more spirit chased than enjoyed. And it's, oh, it's a grid, dot grid. Well, just, no, not dot grid, just grid. That's fabulous. And then there are 2 things of washi. Some more stickers. These look like they're just miscellaneous goodies. Oh yeah, there's frames and people and women and lace, doilies. And then, those are all the PET ones. And then there's ticket. These are nice and heavy with some perfume. Those are gorgeous. Beautiful. There is some note paper. Somebody vacuuming? I don't know. And then in here, there's not just note paper. Oh, there's cute little paper clips that look like little ice cream cones. Cute. Love. Those are adorable. And then we have all kinds of paper. So we've got strips. Ooh, those are neat. Oh, the things you could do with those. And those are kind of like these, except thinner, and you can tear them apart. They're all tear aparts. Look at the mushies. Ooh, those are pretty. Gorgeous. Oh, this is going to be fun. And then you've got a stack of vellum. You get a lot for your money, a lot of bang for your buck. And then you get all of these papers. So let's just see what they are. Well, maybe. Is that girl? You're invited to a baby shower in the tea garden. Pretty, pretty. Oops, this one's upside down. Oh, I love that one. I could just totally lounge there with a book right there, right there. All right, let's put these back in here. And I promise that I will come back. It might be a while before I do that because I will probably save all of these things for when I am traveling. But I hope you enjoyed this. There's so much greatness in one of these GRABIE boxes. And again, if you want to, you get 10% off your first order. Also, if you use the code Easter, you get buy one, get one, and you get that at 30% off. And there's all kinds of other things that you might want to check out on there. So please give it a go. And thank you, GRABIE, for once again sending me all of this gorgeousness. I will be using it and enjoying it for a long time to come. And all of you, be on the lookout for a video where we use some of these things while I'm traveling. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.